Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Moran. Today is April 30th, 2020. It is a cloudy Thursday morning. Today, for Fundations, we are going to talk about glued sounds. Now, what is a glued sound? Glued sounds are sounds that are stuck together. Right? That's why they're called glued sounds, because they're stuck. They're stuck together. So there's several glued sounds, but we are going to concentrate on 3 glued sounds today. And here they are. We're going to talk about AM, that glued sound. Am, right? So the A and the M are glued together, right? And it kind of makes just one sound, am. So if you see am in a word, you do not sound out the letters separately. You don't go and then You just say am, okay? They're stuck together. Then we're going to talk about words that have this glued sound, an. Okay, and then we're going to talk about words that have the glued sound all. Now you might be saying, Mrs. Moran, these are actually words. Am is a word all by itself, an is a word all by itself, and so is an all. So yes, they can stand alone and be words like I am a teacher, right? I ate an apple, or we are all having fun. Yes, they are words that can stand alone, but also in some words, they're just kind of little chunks of words, right? And when we start writing words that have the glued sounds, you'll see. All right, so this is am, okay? Am together says am, okay? Like in the word bam. Bam is like if you hit something really hard, you make a loud sound and it may go bam. Okay, so do you see that glued sound am is in the word bam? All right, now you may also say, oh, it's a CVC word, which it is, consonant, vowel, consonant, but you don't tap this word out like this, b-a-m, right? Bam? No, you don't tap it out. You say the sound of B, b, and then these 2 letters, because they're glued together, make the sound am, okay? So b-am, bam, okay? Now I'm going to write another word that has the am glued sound at the end. Okay? D-am, dam. A dam is usually like a wall that holds back water. All right? So, do you see? The glued sound am says am, like in the words bam and dam. Okay? If you notice over here, I write my consonants. See how I do that? Because that helps me to make new words, all right? So I know another word that ends with the am chunk. What do you think this word is? What sound does H make? And then we know am, glued sound, right? We're not going to sound out the A and the M separately. We're just going to say am says am, like in the word am, ham, okay? Now, because these 3 words look the same, they both end with am, and they sound the same, they are also rhyming words, right? Bam, dam, ham. You read them. Okay? And we like to say that these words are word families. This is a word family, right? They all live in a house together, right? They live in the AM house. I'm trying to make this into a house. See that? There's the roof, right? There's the little chimney with the smoke coming out. And this is now a word family. This is the AM word family. Bam, dam, ham. Can you think of any other words that rhyme with bam, dam, and ham? Look over here at my consonants. Ooh, what consonant is that? What sound does it make? Let's see. If I write a j in front of am, what word do I get? J-am, jam. I like to put jam on my toast. Okay. Then we have a girl's name. So if this is bam and dam and ham and jam, then this is going to rhyme with all of these words, right? So all you need to know is P says P and AM says am, Pam, right? And then I'm thinking of another name, Sam. Okay. Now, if we go over to this glued sound, A-N says an, right? Like in the word, I'm going to write this word. Do you know that word? Can, can. Can, right? Like you can do this, right? And again, I look over here. Can I make any more an words? If I put one of these sounds at the beginning of an, ooh, what's this letter? I'm going to write it as an uppercase D because this is a name. Dan, Dan. Okay, can, Dan. Okay, they both have the glued sound an. All right. So your job today is to make as many words as you can think of that end with that an glued sound, okay? So I'm going to stop here with can and dan. I want you all to keep going and see how many words you can make, all right? How many more words can you think of and can you write that are going to rhyme with can and dan that are going to have the an glued sound? All right, same as over here. A-L-L says all. So if you know all, then you know, well, it's hard for me to write as I'm looking through my camera. All, ball, right? Ball. I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to have you, for your assignment today, think of and write as many words that have the all chunk. All right? So when I see your paper, I should see a big list of all the words that you can think of and you can write that have the all chunk, and they're going to rhyme with ball, and you're going to get a little word family over here. If you want, you could draw the house. Okay, and then over here, you're going to have a word family of an words. Okay. All right, so finish these two lists, and then what I want you to do, after you finish the AN list and the ALL list, after you finish writing words that have the an glued sound and the all glued sound, I want you to choose two AM words, 2 and words into all words. Choose 2 from each word family, and I want you to write them in a sentence. So altogether you're going to have 6 sentences. 2 with am, 2 with and 2 with all. And don't forget, each sentence needs to begin with an uppercase letter, have an end mark, your sentence needs to make sense, and you need to leave spaces between your words. Okay, after you do that, take a picture, upload your Fundations work to Dojo, and I will check it later. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.